everyone, hope you're okay. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm so excited for. It's a video that I've never done before, but if you like random kind of hauls where I show you a little bit of everything, then you're going to love this haul. So this is a Cherryz haul, so some of you will have heard of it, some of you may not have. If you haven't heard of it, I think you're going to love it like me. So Cherryz is basically an online retailer that sells basically everything from cleaning products, home decor, little gift ideas, toys, like literally so many bits and bobs. I feel like it's a one-stop shop basically for everything we need. So definitely check it out and let me know what you guys think. So I've actually managed to get a discount code for you guys. So if you follow the link in my bio, download the app and use code laurenfayex20, you will save 20% off your first purchase. All you need to make sure is that it's your first purchase and that you're using the app. So yeah, like I said, follow the link in my bio, download the app and then use the code at checkout and you've saved yourself 20%, which also at this time of year, everyone wants to save a little bit of money, don't they? And there's so many bits and bobs we need to buy. It's perfect at the moment with everything going on. You can literally do the shopping from your bed, from your sofa, from your kitchen, or from the comfort of your own home basically. So I'm not going to do this in any order. I'm kind of just going to pull things out the box as it comes and show you what I picked up. Okay, so the first thing that I picked up is this Dove 12 Days of Christmas Advent Calendar. So this has got so many goodies in it. So we've got body wash, shampoo, conditioner, nourish cream, a candle, a sleep mask, a headband, nail files, just loads of little goodies. And this is the box that it comes in. So if you haven't got your Advent calendar yet, there is still time. Just about. So yeah, they had loads of different varieties on there. I then also picked up this other Technic Winter Wonderland one. So this one is a luxury toiletries advent calendar. So let's see what we've got inside. We've got some exfoliating gloves, a shower cap, which they are handy, let's be honest, some bath bombs, a comb, a nail brush. It just looks really cute. Let me try and show you the little contents. There you go, as you can see there. These are also really reasonably priced. I think this one was literally like £7. And it's just nice, like in the run up to Christmas I love pampering myself as well, so chuck a few little bath fizzes in the bath and you don't know what you're going to get every day, which is also exciting. So if you're subscribed to my channel, you will know by now that I absolutely love candles, wax melts, anything related to that. So I also picked up two little candles. So I got this icy blue spruce Yankee candle wax melt, and this was 90p I think. Oh, so Christmassy. I also picked up the citrus rose, a little pink candle, and I like having these when I'm in the bath. I just put them on my little bath tray on a little dish. And it just feels really relaxing. So that one's very florally, but it's really nice. So these two were just little treats, but again, perfect stocking fillers. I then also picked up one of these Airwick diffusers. So this one is the White Flowers Reed diffuser. So I actually went to my mum's house a few weeks ago and I went into her bathroom and I was like, what is that smell? It smelled amazing. And it was this. So I had to pick one up for myself. So yeah, it's just got these little like beady things in the bottom, like little bubbles of things, as you can see there. But I couldn't believe how much it smelled, because I'm not being funny, but you can buy so many and you think, oh, my house is going to smell amazing, and they never work. But this genuinely does work and it's really cheap. So this is the Airwick one. So if you're looking for a diffuser that actually works, definitely try this one out. Okay, so I've actually got a little bundle to show you next, and I think this is such a good idea, whether it be for yourself or for like a Christmas present, because if you know somebody that loves minkies and cleaning products as much as I do, then this bundle is going to interest you. You could literally order it, put it in a little hamper, put some like tissue paper and stuff in it, and you've got a Christmas present idea sorted. So this is the Minky bundle. So this one is the general purpose cloth. It's the yellow one and it's just, yeah, for general purpose, high density microfiber cloth. We've also got a classic Minky in there, which is my favourite, I'm not going to lie. I feel like everyone needs one of these in the house. You've also got the grill and pan sponges, which I've never used before, so I'm looking forward to trying those. They've got like a rough texture on both sides. We then got the kitchen cloth, which will come in handy for me, especially as I'm hosting Christmas this year. I'm going to need my kitchen to be spick and span. And then I've also got the 3 extra large cleaning cloths, and these are the antibacterial ones. So like I said, these few together for like a little bundle is a really good gift idea, but also for yourself if you're cleaning mad like I am. I then also picked up some of my trusty Fabulosas. So this one is Gold Touch, I believe. And this one is the passion fruit one. I've never smelled the passion fruit one, and passion fruit is definitely one of my go-to scents. So I'm looking forward to seeing what that smells like, but yeah, I do go through these a lot. And they had all different varieties on there. I then also picked up one of my niece's Christmas presents. So like I said, they have toys on there. She is Peppa Pig mad, and this is the Peppa Pig classroom toy set, as you can see there. So that was nice and easy. I got one of my Christmas presents ticked off the list straight away. But like I mentioned, they have got loads of different toys on there, all different prices. They've also got like chocolates and stuff on there. Like genuinely, I could spend all day on there, and this is not a sponsored video. I should probably do other stuff, but I can't help just sitting on there browsing at what they've got new in. But anyway, this one is the little classroom, and I think this one was £12. So she's gonna love that. So I was actually meant to be going away with the girls next weekend, just for like a little Christmas getaway, but because we're now in tier 2, that's not happening, which is a bit of a shame. So I did pick up this to take with me. So this is just called the Prosecco Fizzy Dizzy Prosecco Party Game. It's essentially like beer pong, obviously, but they've got like a little dial, so you've got like skip a drink, drink 2, whole team to drink, down in 1, things like that. And I just thought it was quite fun, and definitely something that I tend to bring out around Christmas, or any time when I've got a girls' weekend anyway. So this one is also a really good gift idea if you've got like Secret Santa, or you don't know what to get someone. You can't really go wrong with something like this if you know that they like Prosecco, or they like drinking basically. So I thought that was quite a fun idea. I then also picked up my fairy liquid. Like, it's so handy for just cleaning essentials and household essentials. So this one is granite. Don't know what flavour that is. I'm not really sure what that is if I'm honest, but yeah, I mean, I just needed some new fairy liquid, so this one came in my basket. I then also picked up a few little pamper products. So this one is the Skin Republic double action brightening vitamin C and collagen face mask. So the first step is a microdermabrasion scrub, and then the second step is the face mask, which has got vitamin C and collagen in. Not only are these really good stocking fillers, but they're actually really nice for yourself. I use these all the time. I actually I even used one on the plane to go on holiday, just to like give my skin a little pamper. I feel like they give your skin a proper pick-me-up, and yeah, I don't think you can go wrong. So that's that one, which you can barely see because the lighting's a bit dodgy today. And then I also picked up this little Luxe Dream Delight fragrance shower gel. I just wanted to get some new shower gel, and this one looked nice. I'm gonna smell it actually. Oh, nice. I don't really know how to describe it, but it's very fresh. These two were just kind of from my little pamper bundle. Okay, so some more cleaning products. As you can see, I picked up the Elbow Grease Glass Cleaner with Vinegar. I've never tried this before, so I'm actually looking forward to seeing if it's any good. I have got quite a few mirrors and glass trays in my house, so yeah, I needed a new one. And I'm not the best at cleaning them, so I'm really hoping this is going to be like my new best friend. And then I also picked up my classic Viacal. This is the Lime Scale Cleaner. I use this most days on my shower in the bathroom, and it's actually a really must-have product. So if there's one cleaning product that you're going to buy, make it this one. It is an essential. And I'm by no means an expert, but I know that this is definitely a household essential that you need, especially for your bathroom. That's my tip of the day. We also got a bit of Mr. Muscle. So this is the Advanced Power Bathroom one. It's mandarin scented, and to be honest, yeah, my bathroom, the water where I live is quite hard. I think it's hard, or is it soft? I think it's hard. So I need a lot of like products in my bathroom to keep it looking clean and shiny. So Mr. Muscle, I'm hoping you're going to help me out. I also picked up some of the pink stuff, which I've never tried before, but I see it all over Instagram and all over YouTube hauls. So this is the Miracle Cleaning Paste, apparently. I've never tried it. I don't actually know what you use it for. I should probably look into it. Oh, there we go. Tough on saucepans, cooker tops, sinks, barbecues, ceramic tiles, showers. The list is endless. So again, I feel like this might be something that's an essential in my new cleaning cupboard, but they literally have everything on there. So that one was a new one to my kitchen basket, but I've heard good things. I also picked up some microwave wipes. Microwave wipes. I've never used these before actually. It just says removes odours, cleans, get rid of bacteria and stuff. So yeah, thought I'd try those out. Do not ask me why I picked up this next item, but I'm not the best at DIY. In fact, I'm useless. But I picked up a toolkit. Well, it's not actually a toolkit, it's an Allen key set. So I don't really know what brought me to pick this up. I feel like this was a random purchase, but I feel like they're handy to have. And like I said, I don't have a toolbox. I'm not like a handyman. I'm not very good at things like that. So picked up this little set. This is also really handy for like your dad for Christmas or something. It's like a little stocking filler. Loads of different sizes, and I need to get my DIY on. I then also picked up this little watermelon cup. I am a sucker for a new cup, like milkshakes or like juice or just like water and lemon. I always get them. So I just picked up this little watermelon one, which I thought was quite cute. I think they had a few different designs on there, but yeah, I get excited. I'm 27 and I still get excited about new cups with straws. I mean, I should probably be about 10 again, but I just get so excited, and I really hope I'm not the only person. I just don't think you can go wrong. I then also fancied some new stationery. I just picked up this pack of pens. They're pink, black and white themed. If I bring it closer, you can see, there they are. I just thought they were cute. I mean, not that I needed any more pens, but I'm a sucker for stationery. The next item, look at these cute little Santa napkins. These are obviously for Christmas Day, but they have so many little bits and bobs on there. They've also got Christmas decorations and yeah, like decory bits, but that was just too cute for me not to get. I then also picked up some interior car wipes. Got a new car recently, so I'm trying to keep it clean and tidy. And we've been on lockdown, so I haven't had it cleaned in a while, so I took matters into my own hand and picked up some interior wipes, but they were so cheap and I just thought perfect for me to keep the inside of my car clean. I've got some kitchen utensils coming up now, so I also picked up some tongs. I realised I never actually had any, so these are just serving tongs, the stainless steel ones. Really cheap and cheerful, but yeah, I just thought I needed some. And then this next item I'm so excited about. So this is a easy grip cheese grater with a little container underneath. I'm forever stood there with a cheese grater, like getting it everywhere and like getting it on a plate, and then I always eat half of it before I serve it, so it's never a good idea. So I picked up the little Tupperware one, and then I can just keep it in there, and then when it's ready, when my dinner's ready, I can sprinkle it out and half of it won't have disappeared in my tummy. So that's that one. Speaking of pink, I also picked up a little sponge. Not even a sponge, is it? A brush, there we go. A little cleaning brush. This is just a round head dish brush and it's pink, so I feel like my kitchen is slowly getting overtaken by pink products. But that was cheap and cheerful. So this is a little vegetable chopper that I also picked up. Very random, but look. I just thought it was going to make life a whole lot easier. So I guess I'll be using this for like garlic and stuff. Just to give it a little chop. I think this was like 99p or something, but I'm actually looking forward to trying this. Then I also picked up some Sensodyne toothpaste. So, oh, upside down. I actually always use this toothpaste, and it's nice that Cherryz do actually do like all the branded stuff, obviously. So yeah, I got that one on there, and I think it was actually a lot cheaper than I paid for it in the supermarket, if I remember rightly. So this one is just the daily one, daily protection. Then I also picked up some kitchen roll, just a household essential again. You could literally do your like weekly essential shop on there for things like cleaning products and like bundles, and they do like pasta, they do, oh my god, they do everything. But this was just standard kitchen roll. And then if this doesn't sum up 2020, then I don't know what will. I also picked up some masks because I was running low, and I'm kind of like, when my black one's in the wash that I wear all the time, I just want some like of the disposable ones, just so that I can always have a mask on me basically. So I'm going to keep some of those in the car, some of them in my drawer, just so that I've always got one handy. So that was everything that I picked up. Like I said, it was a really random haul, but it's definitely not going to be my last. I feel like I'm just going to be a little bit hooked on there now, but definitely check them out for like gift ideas or for household essentials, or if you just fancy like having a little bit of a random browse. So as I mentioned, if you use the link in my bio, download the app, use code laurenfaye20 on your first purchase, then you will save 20%. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I will see you in one of my next videos.